how to open Truist Bank online banking account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can reset your Truist Bank online banking account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to reset your Truist Bank online banking account, all you have to do is simply go to truist.com and then make sure that you see this type of interface. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Now, if you've not yet signed up for online banking, it's very simple to sign up. All you have to do is tap the sign in option. If you've already enrolled, of course, you can simply enter them, but since we have not enrolled here, you'll find set up online banking. All you have to do is tap the set up online banking button here. Once you tap on the set up online banking option, right over here you can see we can make sure to choose a personal, so you can enter your debit or ATM card number if you've already received them, or you can simply choose to enter your account number. Whatever is comfortable for you, you can select that, enter the account number, enter your social security number, your zip code, your email address, tap and continue. After that, follow the on-screen instructions such as creating a username or password, and after you've done all the steps respectively, your online banking account will get successfully created. This way you can basically create your Truist online banking account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.